Hey guys, Coach Kirkshanta here. Welcome back to another Infinity Processing System review video. And in this video today, I'm going to talk about how you can set up your Infinity Processing System and what payment processors you can use to be able to receive these instant $300, $150, and $50 payments. So if you don't know what Infinity Processing System is, let me kind of give you a quick overview. Infinity Processing System is a direct sales program that allows you to earn 100% instant commissions direct to the payment processor of your choice. And you can earn really great commissions of $300, $150, and $50. Now, what sets Infinity Processing System apart from maybe a lot of affiliate programs that you've seen out there where it just focuses on the opportunity to earn income, the product of Infinity Processing System, it gives you the knowledge base that you need to be able to succeed as an online marketer. It's teaching you how to market online to be able to make these type of income, not only with Infinity Processing System, but with anything that you want to promote. So if you're a person, you're like, I'm serious about being a serious affiliate marketer. I want to finally be a serious affiliate marketer. I want to learn the things. I want to do the things. I want to do the strategies. Where can I learn that? Okay, so definitely at Pro, the elite level will also dive into what you need to know. And that's really what it is. It's going to give you all types of training. You're going to have access to YouTube training, pre-written ads, to get your marketing going. You're going to be able to set up your automated sales funnel. They walk you through step by step. It's very beginner friendly, like in 1, 2, 3 baby steps. It walks you through how to market on different platforms, and you can pick, my advice is to pick one or two and to get serious. And each one of these marketing platforms, they have a blueprint for that marketing platform. So over here at the pro level, you get access to training on how to market on Facebook, Craigslist, Instagram, YouTube, which is my absolute favorite. I recommend for anybody who is serious about having long-term success in their online business. Not one and done commissions, but something where they always are able to generate leads and sales on a daily basis. And with automation, that you need to learn YouTube marketing, right? And you can definitely do it without showing your face. But anyways, that said, each one of these strategies has a blueprint, and you can pick one and begin to start marketing your business. So for YouTube, it walks you through everything you need to do, how to generate leads 24/7 on autopilot, how to structure your video for success, etc., etc., etc. All that is in your in this training platform, and you get the ability to earn $300 commissions every time somebody purchases this from you, or $150 and $50 commissions as well. So that's really what it is. I'm not going to get into it, but what we're talking about today is how can you receive payment in this system. So you already saw that today I received a $300 commission at 2:06 p.m. And I just want to show you that there are other people that are using the same strategy as I show you. So I made a post today in a group today and said, listen, passive income and automation is the name of the game for me, right? I'm not trying to, be on social media all day. That's why I love passive income, and that's why I love YouTube, right? And to be able to passively have that come in, that's the name of the game for me. So, that's something that I was able to. I don't know why it's, hold on one second. So we can see other members are getting, commissions 150. We have other members welcoming new members. We have people who are coming in pro getting $250 and $300 commissions. Shout out to James, making those $300 commissions. So, the sauce is in learning the strategies that are in the membership area. This is how our members are coming back here and are able to do what you see on the screen, and they're duplicating the success, or the results I should say, from following the strategies. Okay, the strategies are where? In the membership area. That is where the learning takes place on how to be a real serious affiliate marketer and earn those commissions. Now, let's get to the how do you receive payments part, okay? So the great thing about Infinity Processing System is that not only can you join at these levels, okay, there's no monthly fees at all, and you have a product that every time you receive a commission, you receive 100% commissions. Now, how do you receive those commissions? Well, the system allows you actually 4 ways that you can accept payment. The first one is via Stripe. So you can come right over to Stripe and you could go ahead and create a Stripe account over at Stripe, and that's one way that you can accept payment, so that when somebody clicks on your sales page, which they create for you, and they put in your Stripe link, then someone can buy through Stripe for you. Okay, the second way is via Cash App. Okay, someone can pay you via Cash App, and you can receive an instant payment at all of these levels, right? Or you could receive a 300 Cash App payment, or so on and so forth, or 150 Cash App, right? So Stripe, Cash App, you can go right over to Cash App, cash.app, and you can create a Cash App account if that's how you want to receive payment. The good thing is, with these 4 payment processors that they allow you to use, you decide which ones you want to use, okay, out of the 4. Okay, so what's the other one? And then the last one is Zelle. So you can go over to Zelle and you can create a Zelle you can create a Zelle account. Most of the time, if you have a bank already, your bank already has is connected to Zelle, and you can use the bank account the email address that you use to sign up with that bank that is associated with your Zelle account. Okay, so that's how that works with Zelle. So, and then there's of course PayPal. Did I already show PayPal? So you can go ahead and create a PayPal account and go ahead and order you. Oh, the other thing I want to say is, like with Cash App, when you create your Cash App account, make sure you order a Cash App card. With PayPal, when you create your PayPal account, you could go ahead if you want to and order a PayPal card. The reason being is you have instant access to your money. If you want to swipe it, whatever you want to do with your money, you can do that, okay, when you receive a commission. So that's the different payment processors. I don't use PayPal, so on my sales page, when I had them set up my sales page, I only gave them the links to Stripe, Cash App, and Zelle, because I don't mess with nothing with PayPal personally. So, but if you like PayPal, you could definitely use it as an option. Okay, so that's pretty much that. I just, I didn't want to make this video long. I wanted to talk about how you can receive these amazing commissions that our team is receiving and that I'm receiving using this work from home system and training platform, because it really is a training platform that allows you to earn amazing commissions, right? So if you are someone who you're ready to do this and you would like to be able to earn these types of commissions, and you want to learn the knowledge base that is here in the membership area to be a better affiliate marketer, then click the link beneath this video, right? I will make sure that you get plugged into our community. We have a great community in IPS, and you'll get access to my exclusive bonuses, which will cut your learning curve and help fast track some of your results with being a better affiliate marketer. Okay, that's it, my friends. Smash the subscribe button, give me a like, and I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Bye, guys.